Welcome to NextGen O1, where we are breaking the barriers of the O1 model and transforming its potential. Our product unleashes new functionalities, making this O1 model more powerful and adaptable. Our team consists of Ibrohim and Wei. Together, we are passionate about unleashing the potential and expanding the horizons of AI. The OpenAI's O1 model faces three limitations. Firstly, the lack of browsing support means users can't access real-time information. Secondly, the inability to handle file uploads restricts the model from leveraging documents for complex tasks. And finally, the absence of system messages limits custom workflows and dynamic interactions. These three limitations inspire us to create NextGen O1. NextGen O1 addresses these challenges head-on. First, our seamless browsing integration allows for real-time information retrieval. Next, file upload support lets users interact with documents and data to enhance complexity and efficiency. Third, our system messages allow for personalized workflows and automated interactions. And finally, our read aloud feature lets users have their text and documents narrated, enhancing accessibility and helping users multitask efficiently. With NextGen O1, these features provide a truly unrestricted and powerful AI experience. Now, let's see NextGen O1 in action.
Model interpretability, incorporating domain-specific knowledge to improve model accuracy.
NextGen O1 is powered by cutting-edge technologies, including OpenAI GPT-O1, the most advanced reasoning and thinking model, AI/ML API that supports over 200 models with one API URL, Pinecone for vector database, LangChain for seamless integrations, and the most advanced AI text-to-speech models and voices by 11 labs. We also used IndexedDB as temporary storage of data. Together, this form the foundation of our innovation.
The revenue streams for NextGen O1 are mainly from three sources, which are the subscription model, pay-per-use model, and enterprise licensing. This is an overview of our business model canvas. Our business model focuses on partnerships with developers and AI solution providers, building long-term customer relationships through similar solutions. Our key value proposition is delivering advanced AI functionality without limitations, and through social media and partnerships, we'll reach developers and enterprises, driving both engagement and revenue. Thank you very much for your time. Connect with us for collaboration and join us in unleashing the power of NextGen O1.